Welcome back, America, to your Cable Data Science channel. Today is 7 July the 5th, 2021. It's time for your daily COVID-19 analysis. A big shout out to all two of you people who did view this video yesterday. Thanks so much. I have a favor to ask today, of course, that's you click on that share button. Share this video today on Facebook and Twitter. If you can also, of course, click on the share button, copy and paste the video link to the video into an email and text message, and send it to your friends and family today. Thanks so much, America. Let's start off with the vaccine roll report. Okay, so we can see here that the U.S. has administered 333 million cases or doses. Let's see, this is blue, so for the people receiving at least one vaccination, there were 182 million. For the people who have been fully vaccinated, that's 157 million people plus. Okay, let's take a look here. Now, so far, 55% of the people have received at least one dose, and 47% of the people have received have received uh, have received full vaccination. Let's take a look at one more vaccine story over here. Okay, that's not what we're interested in. This is the people in the U.S. vaccinated by day. Okay, we had a spike back in April. Now, since the number of daily reported vaccinations is declining. Okay, this is a bit of a smoothing average, but it still is the same story up here. Okay, so I just wanted to see that right there. Right. Okay. Okay. Okay, America. Let's move on to your daily COVID-19 analysis report for today. Okay, America. Currently, you can see that I'll just mention that these numbers are for the previous 12 months, the previous 365 days. Okay, so I'm basically using a rolling yearly number system. Okay, so for the 365-day period ending uh, July the 5th, America had 30.8 million cases, 475,504 deaths. But what we can see here is a continuing decline in the U.S. For 7-4, we had 3,697 cases. For July the 2nd, we had what do we have? 29,698 cases. For the 7-day period ending July the 7th, we were averaging 12,551 cases per day. What about over here? Okay, for 7-4, we reported 33 deaths. For the 7-day period ending June the 27th, we were averaging 253 deaths, which is considerably down from up here, which was 3,277 deaths. Okay, and this declining pattern is confirmed by the weekly cases and the weekly deaths. Once again, you can see monthly cases here. Look at this. For the June's cases was the lowest number of cases in over 12 months. Okay. And as you can see, June's deaths was the lowest number of deaths in 12 months. This, of course, is just the number of cases per 100,000 people. As I always say, this is 25, this is 12 and a half. So somewhere around 8 to 12, somewhere around 8 to 10, somewhere around out of 100,000 people, 8 to 10 have COVID-19 right now. Of course, this is again 100,000 deaths per 100,000 people. So this would be one half for every 100,000 people. This would be one half person dying. So roughly for out of 100,000 people in the U.S. right now, one fourth of a person, one fourth of a person is dying from COVID-19. So America, the good news is that the vaccine continues to enroll it well. Actually, of course, the vaccine is kind of a mixed bag because the number of doses have obviously decreased. But the good news is that the is that the is that the cases and deaths, the daily and weekly case and deaths are showing a continuing decline. Okay, let's just come down here real quick. Let's take a look at the. Let's do this. By total I mean cumulative total. Because what we want to look for here, we want to look for the flattening of the curve. So I can never remember how to. Okay, so we're not really seeing a decline in flat. We're not really seeing. Let's just take a look at these two numbers here now. Okay, so what we're not seeing, well, there maybe is a slight flattening here, but not like we saw in Spain or Israel's. Okay, so we're looking for a flattening of the curve here. That may be the indication of when the vaccine is really beginning to make a difference. Okay. Okay, like I said, what we are looking for is for this to flatten out here at some point. That could be the indication of the vaccines really taking hold. Although the question is, if the purpose of the vaccine is to keep you from dying, then this number may never really flattened out. Okay, but the deaths, if you can see, was this a slight flattening there? Probably not. Probably not. Okay, so we're still looking for this flattening here, from which is going to be the flattening of deaths in cases could indicate that the vaccine is beginning to really take hold in the U.S. Okay, so anyway, thanks so much for your time today, America. Don't forget to click that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter. Click on the share button. Click on the copy button. Copy the link of this video. Paste it into emails and text messages. Share the good news of the continued decline in COVID-19 cases and deaths in the U.S. today. Thanks so much, America. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.